What's up guys, welcome back to Tech World. And today's video is going to be absolutely next level. What if Apple is finally about to destroy the foldable phone market? Massive leaks of the upcoming iPhone Fold are going viral online. And if these rumors are true, Samsung could be in serious trouble. In today's video, we'll reveal everything. We'll cover the design, the leaked features, camera upgrades, release date, and the expected price. Plus, the shocking feature that could change smartphones forever. Samsung, Huawei, and other brands have already entered the foldable phone market. But Apple usually enters late and then dominates. Just look at their history. Examples: Apple Watch, AirPods, Vision Pro. Apple waits for the tech to mature. According to leaks, Apple has secretly been working on a foldable iPhone for years. Leaks suggest the iPhone Fold will feature a book-style folding design. It opens sideways, meaning it transforms into a mini iPad. Imagine that power in your pocket. Expect a titanium frame, ultra-thin body, and a nearly invisible crease with a premium hinge. Display sizes: outer display at 5.5 inches and the inner folding display at 7.8 inches. Apple is reportedly trying to create the smoothest foldable display ever made. The biggest rumor is that Apple may solve the foldable phone's biggest problem: the screen crease. Apple is rumored to be using a liquid metal hinge system for stronger folding and longer durability. Under the hood, we expect the A20 Pro chip, 12GB of RAM, and full AI-powered iOS integration. With a triple camera setup and periscope zoom, Apple could turn this into the ultimate creator phone. Now the price: rumors suggest $2,000 to $2,500. That would make it the most expensive iPhone ever. Most reports claim Apple could launch the iPhone Fold in 2026, potentially alongside the iPhone 18. So, would you buy the iPhone Fold, or is Samsung still better? Comment below and subscribe to Tech World.